Welcome back to another video. So in today's video I will be showing you how to add a subscribe button into your video using Adobe Premiere Pro. But before we get started, make sure you subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications to be the first person to watch my videos every week. Alright, to get started, I added a video on my timeline, and now what you need to do is you got to drag in your subscribe button which you have downloaded, and if you don't have this, I will leave the link in the description below so you can download it totally for free and use it. Alright, all you need to do is just drag in your subscribe video on top of your video layer 1, so that will be on your video layer 2 and you will have your subscribe button on your video. And if you find something like this, you can simply adjust the size by clicking it and clicking on the motion and changing the size of your subscribe button. After minimizing your subscribe button, all you need to do is simply go to your effects and search in for the ultra key effect. And there you go, you just simply got to drag your ultra key effect onto your green screen video, and so you can remove this green screen edges from your subscribe button. And to remove the green screen from your video, you just got to go to your effects controls panel, go to your ultra key effect. Under ultra key effect you will find for key color, and there you just simply got to click on the color box and select your eyedropper tool and click on the green screen video, and there you go, just simply click OK, and there your green screen will get vanished. And now to simply place it on the right side of the video or wherever you want to place it, you can just simply go back to your effects control and click on motion, so you can select the particular subscribe button and place it to wherever you want on your video. And finally, when you play back your video, you will have the beautiful subscribe button added into your video. And there you go, I hope you benefited from this video. If you benefited, make sure you leave a thumbs up on this video, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.